Most people think their AI videos look bad because the prompt isn't detailed enough, so they keep adding camera terms, style words, negative prompts, and random modifiers, then burn through credits on clips that still look stiff, messy, or unusable. But the real problem usually happens before the prompt. They haven't clearly decided the shot, the movement, the reference, and what the model actually needs to follow. That's why the same prompt can give you one decent result, and 10 clips you'd never post. So in this video, I'll show you the process I use before I ever hit generate, so you can get cleaner AI video results, waste fewer credits, and stop treating every prompt like a guessing game. Before I get into the process, I want to be honest about something, because this used to be me. I'd sit down to make an AI video, and I was staring at a blank box. No real idea, just a vibe, something cinematic, something dramatic. So I'd type something like that in and hit generate, and the clip would come back fine. Not bad, not good, just fine. And I'd think I need to add more words, more camera terms, more style words, more detail. So I'd rewrite the prompt, add more, try again, and burn through credits getting the same mediocre results. It took me a while to figure out the problem wasn't the prompt. The problem was I didn't have an idea yet. I was asking the tool to figure it out for me, and the tool can't do that. Here's what that used to look like for me. I'm going to type in something pretty typical, the kind of prompt I used to start with. Cinematic shot of a city at night, dramatic lighting, realistic. No real idea behind it, just words that sound right. And here's what comes back. It's not terrible, but it's also not anything. No feeling, no moment, no reason to watch it. And if I'm building a real video, that clip is useless to me. That's what prompting without an idea gets you. So here's what I figured out. Before I touch the prompt now, I ask myself 4 questions. Question 1, what's the moment? Not the vibe, the actual moment. What is literally happening in this shot? Let's say, a woman standing on a foggy pier at dawn, watching a ship disappear into the distance. Something is actually happening. Question 2, what's the feeling? Quiet, reflective, a little heavy, like a goodbye. Not dramatic, not epic. Question 3, what's the environment doing? Fog, soft morning light, muted colors, a lot of empty space, almost nothing moving. Question 4, what is the camera doing? Over the shoulder, slowly pulls back to reveal what she's looking at. Okay, I now have a real idea. I know the moment, the feeling, the environment, the camera. That took 2 minutes. Now watch what the prompt looks like when I actually have something to say. A quiet, reflective scene at dawn. A lone woman stands on a fog-covered pier, watching a ship fade into the distance. The emotion is restrained and slightly heavy. The camera starts over the shoulder while she is looking directly at a distant departing ship. The camera slowly pulls back to reveal the scene. Soft, natural light, muted colors, minimal movement. Okay, that's not a better prompt. That's what a prompt looks like when I actually know what I want. 4 questions got me there, not the wording. And this is the thing I wish someone had told me earlier. For a long time, I was describing. I wasn't deciding. Cinematic, epic, realistic, dramatic. Those are adjectives, they sound good, but they're broad and vague. And the model has no idea what I actually mean. Once I switched to decisions, everything changed. I want this to feel quiet, not dramatic. I want the camera to move slowly, not aggressively. I want the emotion restrained, not exaggerated. See the difference? That's something I can fix. Rewriting a vague prompt from 0 every time is not. Let's do it again. Completely different this time. And before I keep going, I want to let you know there are 2 bonus videos at the end of this one. 2 completely different scenes, 2 completely different moods. So you can see this process work beyond just these examples. Make sure you're subscribed and stick around. Okay, back to it. Same 4 questions, different energy. What's the moment? A street performer in a crowded night market, mid-trick, crowd going wild. What's the feeling? Loud, alive, slightly chaotic. What's the environment doing? Neon signs, food stalls, smoke, motion blur in the background. Everything is moving. What is the camera doing? Handheld, close, moving with the crowd, slightly unstable, complete opposite of the peer. Now the prompt basically writes itself. A street performer, mid-trick in a packed night market. Crowd reaction, neon lights, food stall smoke, motion blur. The energy is loud and chaotic. Handheld camera, close to the action, slightly unstable movement, gritty and alive, not cinematic. That's what I love about this. It works for anything I want to make. Alright, I promised you 2 more.